uh, password working. Let's go to check information. Android version is 9. Let's try. So no need to try because password forgot. Let's try. Sorry, we restart phone for the recovery mode. We can check if it is okay to hard reset in recovery mode. We press volume up down together with power button. Okay, English. Check wipe data. And still we ask password. So we can't do the reset from here. So we have to unlock using software. This the tool I will put the link of this tool description. You can find from we can do save on. That means we can save the user data and only remove the settings and password. So if you don't have install driver, we can install driver here. There is a icon install driver. So we should plug the cable. By pressing volume up and down at the same time. We plug it. White plug. Okay. So we can see the it's read the eMMC data. It's done, all done. We can turn on the phone. So I think we have to unplug the cable. Let's try unplugging the cable. Okay, it's powered. It's going to a remote. Okay, let's check. So my data. Let's check what happened. Turn on the boot screen. turn on. Okay, let's check. Connect. We need to connect. Can skip, but we can't skip. So we have to go to this code star hash 813 hash. This will be skip the setup wizard. Going to direct home. Let's check the gallery. Where is the gallery? It's the gallery. What it is ask permission. Nice gallery. These photos. Okay. That is, we have all data of, yeah, we have all data.